Are you tired of feeling held back by a less than ideal credit score? Do you dream of reaching your financial goals but feel like your credit history is standing in the way? Look no further. In this video, we'll delve into the secrets of unlocking a stellar credit score and how First Coast Small Business Consulting can help you rebuild your credit. With our expertise and proven strategies, you can take control of your financial future and open doors to new opportunities. Let's explore how you can turn your credit score around with our help. Payment history plays a crucial role in determining your credit score. Late payments, defaults, and collections can have a significant negative impact. At First Coast Small Business Consulting, we understand the importance of rectifying past payment issues and establishing a positive payment history moving forward. Our credit repair services will guide you in overcoming these hurdles and help you rebuild your credit with confidence. Another key factor in your credit score is your credit utilization ratio. Maintaining a low ratio is essential to demonstrate responsible credit management. Our experts will strategically manage your credit accounts to optimize your credit utilization ratio, effectively improving this aspect of your credit score. The length of your credit history also matters. We advise on maintaining old accounts and opening new ones strategically to improve the length and depth of your credit history. By diversifying your credit portfolio, you can strengthen your credit profile and increase your chances of unlocking a stellar credit score. Lenders prefer to see a mix of credit types. Our experts will analyze your credit profile and recommend diversification strategies to strengthen your credit portfolio. By strategically adding different types of credit, such as credit cards and loans, you can demonstrate your ability to handle various financial responsibilities. Be cautious when applying for new credit. Opening multiple new accounts within a short period can raise red flags and negatively impact your credit score. We provide guidance on managing credit inquiries and applying for new credit responsibly to minimize any negative effects on your credit score. Public records, such as bankruptcies, foreclosures, and judgments, can severely impact your credit score. We understand the challenges these records pose and assist in resolving them to mitigate their effects on your credit standing. Our team will work tirelessly to help you overcome these obstacles and improve your credit score. Mistakes on your credit report can unfairly drag down your credit score. Our specialists meticulously review your credit reports, identifying and disputing errors to ensure accurate information. By correcting these inaccuracies, we can help boost your credit score and ensure that you are being evaluated based on correct information. High levels of debt relative to your income can harm your credit score. We work closely with you to develop personalized debt repayment plans and negotiate with creditors to settle outstanding balances. Our goal is to help you manage your debt effectively and improve your credit score in the process. Unlocking a stellar credit score requires knowledge, expertise, and a tailored approach. First Coast Small Business Consulting is dedicated to helping you rebuild your credit and achieve your financial goals. Our comprehensive credit repair services address the key factors that influence your credit score, providing you with the tools and strategies you need to succeed. Don't let a low credit score hold you back any longer. Contact First Coast Small Business Consulting today and take the first step towards financial freedom. Together, we can unlock the secrets to a stellar credit score and open doors to a brighter future.